Hey there guys, and welcome back to our channel where we show you how to use AI effectively. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating an educational animated video for children using AI. To ensure you don't miss any crucial steps, we'll break down the video into 5 segments, so make sure to stick around until the end. Without further delay, let's dive right in. To begin, let's draft a script for your video. For optimal results, we can leverage Chatgpt to generate the script. All you need is a well-crafted template that you can input, and Chatgpt will handle the rest. To kick things off, access the YouTube script generator and provide the prompt. Compose a children's educational video script on various bird species. Chatgpt will craft an engaging YouTube script complete with instructions for visuals and content. Simply extract the host portion of the text and paste it into a document, such as Google Docs. Subsequently, copy the entire script and paste it into the same document, marking the completion of our initial step. Moving on to step 2, we'll create the voiceover for our video utilizing a text-to-speech AI called Credo AI. If you're unfamiliar with Credo AI, initiate a free trial and set up an account using your email and password. After successfully creating your account, confirm your email address. Once logged in, select AI Text Dubbing and specify your preferred language and voice model. Return to your document, copy the first paragraph of your script, and paste it into Credo AI's text box. Click on Audition to listen to the output. If you're satisfied with the voice, click Confirm. Otherwise, explore different voice models and audition again until you're content. Once you're pleased with the result, click Create New and select AI. Repeat the Create New release process. Now, go back to your document and replicate this procedure for all script paragraphs. Once the entire script has been transformed, download all the audio files in ascending order to finalize this voice generation step. In the following step, we'll generate an animated character accompanied by the audio. To accomplish this, we'll utilize Adobe Express, a free AI animation tool. Upon accessing Adobe Express, opt for Create an Animation for YouTube. Given our child audience, select a humorous character to keep them engaged. After choosing the character, customize the background color and designate the video size as per YouTube specifications. Proceed to upload your first audio clip or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. Adobe Express will require some time to generate the animated character paired with our audio. Once the process is complete, download the video. After downloading, return to the editing interface, select Replace Audio, and upload the second audio clip. Repeat this process for all audio clips to finalize our third step. In step 4, we'll utilize Canva to craft animated visuals for our video. If you're new to Canva, create an account using your email address. Upon account creation, navigate to the video section and select YouTube Video. Upload all the animated videos generated by Adobe Express. After uploading these videos, explore the Elements section and search for a suitable forest background. Opt for a background image that matches the video size. To ensure perfect synchronization during editing, refer to the duration of the animated videos in your upload folder. For instance, if the video is approximately 17.7 seconds long, adjust the timer to 18 seconds. Add animated trees to enhance the visual appeal. Simply search for animated trees, select them, and position them in the background image according to your preferences. Additionally, introduce some birds into the video's backdrop, aligning with our bird-themed content. When everything appears aesthetically pleasing, download the background image. Now, revisit your Google Docs document and identify the first bird mentioned in your script. In this case, the peacock. Return to Canva, search for a peacock in the Elements section. Select a suitable image and adjust its size. Here's where Canva's fantastic feature comes into play. Click on Animate, then select Create an Animation. Position the peacock in your desired location and observe it gracefully moving in the background. Download the video after making these adjustments, remove the peacock, and insert the second bird mentioned in the script, which is the parrot. Replicate this process for all bird references in the script and download the videos accordingly, thus completing our fourth step. In step 5, we'll perform video editing and add the finishing touches to our creation using Wondershare Filmora as our video editing software. Feel free to use any video editing software you prefer. Import all the animated and background videos into the software. place the first background video in video layer 1 and the first animated video in video layer 2. Activate the chroma key function in your editing software for video layer 2. Adjust the animated character's position to seamlessly blend with the background. For segments where no specific bird is mentioned, you can maintain the same background. Incorporate the second animated video in layer 2. Enable chroma key and position the character accordingly. Match the background layer's duration to that of the animated layer. Replicate this process for the remaining animated videos. Once the editing is complete, click the Export button to generate the final product. Congratulations, our animated video is now ready for presentation. With a bit of research and effort, you can effortlessly craft an outstanding educational video for children using this method. Once your video is complete, upload it to your YouTube channel to generate passive income. We strongly recommend investing time in editing and carefully selecting your topics, as this will yield superior results. We eagerly await hearing about your experiences in creating educational content for kids. With that, this video has come to an end here. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informational content. Until then, goodbye.